And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you where you can find and adjust the shortcuts. Some of them are visible next to the function. So here, for example, the split. It has the shortcut B. If you press B on your keyboard, it's going to get activated. You can also use the arrow keys, for example, which is pretty handy. In the timeline, you can use to the right to go forward 1 frame and to the left to go backwards. Up and down is for start and end of the current clip. But you don't have to memorize all of this. Here is a simple list. Just make sure that you have the default layout active, and then you will find the shortcut right here. Left click on it and there's the entire list. Here, for example, is for the split mode B. Here we have the arrow keys, previous frame, next frame, left and right. Last cut point, next cut point, up and down. This is only for the timeline, so for the player basic there are different ones. I use shortcut 1, which is the default when you haven't messed around with it yet. You can try different ones if you need them. If you want to specifically change one shortcut, you can go to the right, and if you hover over it an X will appear. You can left click on it. If you're not signed in, you get a warning message. Just click on continue editing and then you can change that. I want to keep it to B, but you could, for example, make it backspace. And then you can override it. When you get lost, just reset it to default down here. And you can save or cancel. And this is all I wanted to cover when it comes to shortcuts in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.